Go get them nice and tight, make sure this thing is secure. And tomorrow, make sure that I go to the store and get stainless steel bolts instead of zinc.
Okay, I don't know how you were doing with. How's that look?
That's good. I think that's great. No, I think that's great. So since we have the hat channel, the new hat channel just marries this old hat channel.
Wait.
Oh, what the? Get it more in the flange area.
You're a wiener.
Yeah. Dude, you're the man though, seriously. Nobody else would be this nice to do this. So thanks.
This is like my bread and butter right here. Like,
alright.
Like, this is what I want to do in my free time.
Okay, awesome.
I want to sit on the floor and watch Netflix for 4 hours, go to bed, and do it again tomorrow.
Well, maybe like 3 days a week.
Do it once, like on my Sunday.
That's also, dude. What the? Some of the hat channel that they made is not the same size, and it does not overlap perfectly like it should. So the flanges have a gap in between them, which I don't even know what's going to happen when we rivet. Hopefully the rivets that I have a big enough grip to handle that. So what we did, since we knew we were running out of time, and we've had some crazy weather here in South Dakota, like crazy winds, so we're just leaving the jacks on, and then by each one of these jacks, we just installed 2 of the new hat channels over the old ones, and look at how nice it looks. So all these ones, it looks like they're on there, but if you look closely, they're just hanging on by a thread. We just piloted the tops so they're ready to go. I'm 6'2", and I can't touch the ceiling. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I am so excited that this thing is lifted. It's coming together. Look at this. Hold on one second. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, we're going to come back tomorrow and we're going to finish putting the ribs on this thing. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Good morning. We are at the bus today. I'm here with beautiful Tommy. And oh, just look at this thing. Even though it's 30 degrees outside and windy, as you can see, the winds are blowing. It just feels awesome to be in here. Anyways, we're finishing lapping the new hat channel and the old hat channel. We only have 9 more pieces. Then we're taking these jacks out, and then it will be ready to be sheet metaled or skinned and then riveted. So that's where we're at today. Whoop whoop, yeah. Okay. Tommy 2 times.
Everybody calls me Tommy 2 something.
Tommy 2 nips.
Tommy 2 nuts.
Alright.
This is the ultimate test.
So this is the Widowmaker. For this reason, when you release this jack, you need to come over here.
I want to get it behind you.
Okay.
I'm just gonna put my arms around you.
How do you always want to get it behind me? This is called a Widowmaker jack for a nickname because when you release this, it's very dangerous. So I don't know how much really pressure is here right now, but I'm just gonna pull it. Oh.
There you go.
Oh yeah! All right.
I'm gonna pull it. Here we go.
Go, camera. Hopefully you can catch this. Release. Wait. There we go. There we go. Dude.
Is it? Yeah.
All right. So we're on the back of the bus right now, and we aren't going to be able to sheet metal any more of the sides today. We have a 40-foot tarp that's going to go over the top of this because it is supposed to snow like tonight here, which is really unfortunate. So we're gonna have to do a lot of this in the snow, it feels like. Since it's only 40 feet long, it will cover the front all the way up to like here, but we realized that it wouldn't cover the back. So we are just trying, if you look back here, this is a 21-inch wide strip. We had the metal fabricating shop cut a strip perfectly, and it was 9.5 feet all the way around, one solid piece, and 21 inches tall. So we just took the old rivets out from right here and when this came apart, you can't see it probably, but the other pre-drilled holes are right there. So the top of this sheet metal will go underneath of these holes. So when it rains on it, the rain will go over top, and then the bottom will go over this. So this will be on the outside, actually on the bottom, the sheet metal. So it's really cool because it's already all pre-drilled. So all we have to do is get it into place and pre-drill it, and then take it off, put adhesive on, and then we're gonna attach it with Clecos and put rivets in it. So, and if you're wondering how we bent the corners of this, we actually marked out where it needed to be bent, and we went to a street pole, and it worked perfectly. Right two time. Okay, I gotta go. We're gonna die. So we just tarped the whole bus, and I really wish I could have filmed it, but I did not bring a tripod today, which is unfortunate. But we pulled, I don't know if you can see anything in here. Oh yeah, you can see. This is all one tarp. This is Drayson. This is Tommy's boy.
Hi.
So anyways, believe it or not, for our, close to 40-foot school bus, this is one tarp. I'm lucky enough to have such a sweet mother-in-law, and she gave us their old tarp for their pool, and it just turns out that it fit perfectly over around everything and over the front of the bus, where we still have the back door accessible. Can you believe that? It's unbelievable. And then you come out the front here, and we're leaving this open so we can just bungee this and get on and off the bus every day. And just look at that, one tarp. It smells like an abandoned pool in there, but it will do.
Hey Ben, what's up? Ben?
What's up, man? So as you can see, got plenty of room in my bus now. So thanks to the man behind the camera and everybody else that helped.
Yeah.